In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file using Gmail. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly attach and send your Excel documents to your intended recipients. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive in and make it as seamless as possible for you. First things first, we'll start by opening up Gmail. Go to your internet browser and visit the Gmail website, where you'll want to log in using your email credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your Gmail dashboard in front of you. Now that you're on your Gmail homepage, the next step is to compose a new email. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and find the button labeled Compose. Give it a click and a Compose window will pop up, allowing you to craft your new email message. In this window, you'll need to enter some essential details, starting with the recipient's email address. Type this into the To field, ensuring it's accurate to avoid any mix-ups. Following that, enter the subject of your email to give your recipient a quick glimpse of what your message entails. Finally, you'll want to compose the body of your email. Write your message to include useful information or a brief explanation of the attached file's content. With your email now ready to go, it's time to attach the Excel file you want to send. In the Compose window, focus on the bottom section and locate the paperclip icon. When you hover over it, you'll notice it says Attach Files. Click this icon, and a File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Find the Excel file you're planning to send, keeping in mind that it could be in either XLSX or .xls format. Once located, select the file to begin the uploading process. As the file uploads, be sure to wait until it's completely finished. You'll know the upload is successful once the file appears at the bottom of your Compose window. It's important to note that Gmail supports files up to 25 megabytes. If your Excel file exceeds this limit, don't worry. You can easily upload it to Google Drive and share the link with your recipient instead. This way, they can still access the file without running into size restrictions. Finally, with everything set up and your file attached, it's time to send your email. Give the send button a click and your email, complete with the attached Excel file, will be on its way. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any delays in sending your email. And there you have it. You've now mastered the process of sending an Excel file through Gmail. It's a simple yet effective skill that will serve you well in both personal and professional scenarios. Thank you for joining me today.